up the ramp and into the truck. Okay, it's what, 11 o'clock?
We just woke up and we're getting ready to go riding. Oh.
No, it wasn't cold last night.
Because I think we're only going to ride till
Chuck, Greg?
2.
The milk was frozen. Buster's bowl was frozen. Of course it was cold.
Yeah, here, wait. Let me demonstrate the Buster food. Here, Buster, come get your water. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. We'll melt later.
Come back for it later.
Paul's eating out of the dog dish with the frozen ice cube in it.
Oh yeah, he is. Well, they say, you know, a dog and his master are very much alike. Pine trees everywhere. In the meadow. And the river is right down there.
Yeah. Nice little river we're going through.